breakfast for today is a new invented fried rice with matching with leftover lechon paksiw. Look at that. I'm trying to make this new one. I don't know how does it taste like. Just imagine. Yeah, this is it. I try to make it more tastier and delicious by creating a new recipe. Fried rice with lechon paksiw leftover. Watch out guys ha. I'll be back after this. After a few seconds, I add the scrambled egg. Look at that. So, it's about a few seconds. Tapos na rin to. Let's see how does it taste like. Hi guys, and then this is the final or the finished product of my fried rice with lechon paksiw. This is it, and to make it more delicious or spiciness, I add additional hot sauce on the plate, where this is served as my breakfast and lunch, or we call brunch. So come on guys, let's eat. Sabayan niyo po ko. Thank you. Sana makatulong to create new recipe.